Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be doing a look with the Colourpop Sol Palette. Now you guys must excuse this because I actually ordered this months ago and it only came like this month and it was destroyed, but it is still new. These two shades were completely broken, so I tried to mend them. So we're gonna see how it goes. Maybe I can save it. It seems like it works when I put my finger into it. So yeah, we're gonna be trying a look with that palette today, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so what I like about these palettes are they are quite small, but they have a huge mirror inside, so that's quite cool. You can literally just do your makeup in this mirror, and yeah, so it's very travel friendly and you take it anywhere. So no, I don't know, what are we gonna do today? Let's first maybe go through the shades and swatch them and see how they perform. So the names are on the back of the palette. This is always a bit confusing because I don't know if you turn it, if it's the name at the back, or if you turn it, it's the first one. So yeah, I'm gonna first swatch this peachy one from that, like that, and go down, and then I'll say the shade name. So the first one is like a peachy shade. I think it's called New Digs, and it's literally just like a flesh colored peachy shade. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll hold it a bit longer. So yeah, that's quite pretty. It's like a transition-y shade. Just get my wipe here. And then we're gonna go into the smeshed one there in the middle. It's called Anthem. Yeah, I hope. Oh, this one is actually very pigmented. Maybe it was just very soft. Geez, that's so creamy. Wow, that's a beautiful shade. I don't know if you guys can pick it up on the camera, but it's almost like a duochrome, like a bronzy pinkish shade. That's beautiful. You can't see it in the palette now because the palette is destroyed. Okay, then the next one is Dynamite. So that is a more orangey matte. That's also very beautiful. So this is definitely a very warm tone palette. Then the next one that's a smashed is Hotel, which is this one in the corner. Let's see. Oh, it's still quite loose in the even though I tried to rescue it. Okay, so that's the next one. Oh, so that's like a orangey bronze color. Very pretty. These colors are very pigmented. Okay, now we're going into that middle shade called Motel, which is that red shade. Oh, it's actually, when you swatch it, it comes off pink almost. Wow, guys, do you see that? Oh my word, that's like one swatch. I don't know if you guys can pick it up, but it's like a metallic hot pink red. Look at that. Yo. Okay, then we are going for the next one, which is B&B. It's this bronzy color over here. Colourpop never disappoints, guys. Doesn't matter what it is. Okay, so that is like a true, I would say like a little bit muted, like a pinky bronze. Look at those shades though. I'm very excited now. Then we're in the corner, there's like this orangey shade called Floaties. This one, I don't know if you guys can pick it up on the camera, but it's got like an orangey, yellowy duochrome. That's so weird. Okay, there we go with that one. Holy crap! Okay, so that's like a metallic orange. That is beautiful. I don't actually know what I'm going to use now. I am like so shocked because what I thought it looked like in the palette, now the swatches don't look anything like that. So this one is called Ooh, I'm gonna put, ooh, swatched, it's a matte. Wow, that is freaking pigmented. Jeez guys, look at that. So that's like a matte hot orange, and that one is more of a metallic, that one. And then the last shade is a matte brown, obviously. Unwind, matte brown. All need a matte brown. And that is the matte brown. So beautiful. Okay, well, that's the little palette. It's beautiful. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but yeah, let's get into the real video. So I actually have no idea what I'm gonna do. All these colors are so beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna start just with the new Digs color, that peachy shade, and I'm gonna put that all over in my crease. There's a bit of kickback, but that's not a problem for me. I'm not gonna do a fancy eye, but I do want to do something pretty. So I'm just gonna build up that shade in the crease, just to give us some basic layer to work with. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna go in. This is a tough one. I think I'm gonna go in with Dynamite, which is a little bit more orangey shade, and just intensify that crease a bit. These colors blend beautifully, guys. Okay, so now I think, let me take a packing brush, and I'm going to take this beautiful orangey shade that I had in the corner called Floaties, and I'm going to pack that on from the center to almost like half of my eyelid. So let's see how that goes. I'm first going to try without any Fix Plus, and then maybe it is pigmented, but I want that bam, bam. So let's try with a little bit of spray and see if that makes a difference. Oh, sorry. Okay, that makes a big difference, yes. Okay, I just want a very precise there. I was like cut it, but not cut it, if you guys know what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to take that orange to the center almost, just a little bit further than that. Jeez, that is orange. Okay, now the other side. That is an orange. Can you guys see that? That is a very orange. Okay, so let me just find another packing brush. Why is it that I have a million gazillion brushes, but when you want something you can never find it? Okay, so I'm just going to wet another brush, same type of brush, and I'm going to go into that red shade called Motel, and I am going to pack that on the outer lid, or the outer portion of my eye. Ooh, so it's pigmented. Wow. Okay, let me just look down, because these shades are so pigmented. I know it looks a bit messy now, but I'm going to blend it in now. Okay, other side. Okay, now I'm going to take that orange again, and I'm just literally going to melt the two in with each other so that the orange kind of flows into the pink. So just blend that in a bit. It is looking very pretty. Okay, now I'm going to go into that shade again, the first one, called New Digs that we started off with, and I'm just literally gonna blend into the crease just to blend those colors together. Don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. You should be able to. Guys, this palette is very, very pigmented. Very. Oh, I think I went a bit crazy on this side. So let's just blend that out. And then I'm just going to go into that red again and just where I blended away now. Just put some color back. And do the same with the orange. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Just gonna wet my brush a bit again because I really want that orange to pick up. Yo, I look a bit crazy there, but I like it. Okay, so we're blending the orange in with the red again. Wow, this is so pigmented. Okay. So now for my bottom lash line, I'm just going to go in with that same New Digs color just to smoke it out a bit. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm wondering, should I go with the brown on the top? Whew, difficult one. Okay, I'm going to go in. Let's try some of more of the shades. Let's try that one. And I'm going to put that all over my bottom lash line. I know it's sparkly, but today we are just going crazy. Ooh, that's actually freaking beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to go into that dark brown, which is Unwind, and I'm literally just going to go tap in lightly and just intensify the outer corner on the bottom of my lash line. The brown isn't very brown, so that's good. And then literally just join the two there. And then you can just literally blend it in a bit. I'm going to try a brown. This is the NYX Cafe brown eyeliner. So I'm just going to put that in my waterline quickly. I'm going to do it off camera because you guys know I'm not that great with that. Okay guys, so this is where we are at the moment. I am loving these bright colors. I'm just going to pop some mascara on and yeah, then we are almost done. Okay, and then the final step is my trusty Ofra. So I'm just going to take some of the Beverly Hills, put it on. I never actually get tired of seeing this freaking highlighter, guys, in action. This is insane. This highlighter is from a different galaxy, like far else. I just never get over it. Every time I put it on, I am a little bit more shocked. Okay, and then let's just put it all over just because we can. Then just for a lippy, I think I'm gonna, should I do an orange lippy? What do you guys think? Let me see. This is where we are. Sorry for my lashes. I am in the middle of transitioning from the lashes, the extensions, to normal again, because they just like, I don't know, I can't do the whole 2 week full thing the whole time. It's just too much for me and I'm missing my false lashes. lashes. Okay, so let's try this NYX Orange. It's 583A. Lip Smacking Fun Colors. Doesn't say the color on it, but it is, oh yeah, it is Haute Melon. Haute Melon. Okay, so let's put some orange on. This one's actually very shocking. It's more like a coral. Good. Oh, it's matching my makeup perfectly. I should have probably gone in with a lip liner. Hey? Okay. Guys, these NYX lipsticks are so freaking soft and it's just amazing. And it doesn't transfer to your teeth or anything. So yeah, this is the final look, guys. Let me scot in for you guys and I can show you. How beautiful is that? These shades are so freaking pigmented. And then my matching lippy. I know I look like I'm going to a club, but I think it matches my top a bit. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know. Guys, please let me know what you want to see. I really do these kinds of videos for you guys. So whatever you want to see, if you would like to see more unboxings of things I buy, because yes, I have a problem. And yeah, just let me know and I will do it for you guys. So thanks for watching and please subscribe and bye guys.